In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access Share with Me folder in Google Drive desktop. So the first option or the first method that we can do is to head over to your Google Mail or Gmail and then click onto the notification that arrived to you once a folder has been shared. So you can click onto this particular email, for example, in my case. On here, I can see the actual folder and I can see who shared it to me, the name of the folder. And if I want to open it or access it, just click onto this open option and I should be able to see it right here into my Google Drive once it's downloading. You can see it here right there. Now, the next thing that we can do is, for example, you're currently on your Google Drive. What you can do is you can head over right here to the Shared with Me option right there. Now in here you can see the same folder. You can just click on that in order to access it. So that's how you actually access Shared with Me folder in Google Drive. Hope we help.